Hi guys, welcome to Common Core Math Cali. Today we're going to go into discussing different methods on adding. You're going to have to bear with me. We're going to go over 3 different types. This slideshow is going to be geared towards a 4th grade math problem, but it can really be used for any math grade. What the first one is we're going to talk about is called new groups above. New groups above is really a new way of saying carrying. So when you're adding two numbers, 4,768 to 8,764, what us adults have been taught was carrying. We're going to take the 8 plus the 4, and it's 12. And we're going to carry this 1 here. So what new groups above really means is that this 1 here is a new group of 10. Okay, so we're going to take this now. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 6 is 13. I'm going to write the 1 here, carry the 1 here, adding again a new group of 100. And we're going to add 1 plus 7, which is 8, plus 1, which is 15. Again, 5 here, carry the 1, adding a new group of, you got it, 1,000. 4 plus 8 plus 1 is 13. We're going to add it down here. Let's add our comma, and that's 13,532. So just to reiterate again, this is the standard way that most adults have been taught, which is another word called carrying, which Common Core calls new groups above method. Bear with me because I really don't like this next one, but it's the same way that we add, except it's called new group below. Oh, and I can't spell. Okay, so we're going to take the same math problem. I'm going to rewrite it here. Okay. The biggest problem that I have is when we do a new group below, we're adding 8 plus 4 is 12. But instead of having the 1 be here, they're going to add it here. That doesn't look like a 1 to me. I think if you have super neat handwriting, this might work for you, but I also think that it'll get lost in the shuffle. I'm just going to do this problem so you can understand what new groups below mean. 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 1 is 13. New group of 100 below. 7 plus 7 plus 1 is 15. New group of 1,000 below. Excuse me. And 4 plus 8 plus 1 is 13,000. We get the same answer. It's still a little more messier for me. And I prefer the traditional way of carrying. The last way to add, and they're going to need to know how to do this for Common Core, is called show subtotal method. And this goes right to left. All right, if you excuse me, we're going to take that same problem. All right, so we're going to work on just the ones. I'm going to circle this here. 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4 is 12. So they want them to write 12. Okay, now our next group is tens. We have 6 plus 6 in tens, and that is 12. But it's really 60 plus 60. So we're going to write 120. Excuse me, I have a little itch in my throat. The next step, you guessed it, we're going to do the hundreds. 700 plus 700. 700 plus 700 is 1,400 or 1,400. And we're going to write that below. Last step is the thousands. 8,000 plus 4,000 is 12,000. We're going to write that below. It's really important that you keep all your lines are all your numbers lined up. And 2 plus a lot of zeros is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 2 zeros is 3. 1 plus 4 is 4. 1 plus 2 is 3. 1 is 1. Oops, I didn't write 3, I wrote 2. So as you can see, we got, yeah, because I cannot, oh my goodness, I cannot add. I'll do this over again. 2, 3, 5, 3, 1. There you go. Okay, so as I was going to scroll up before I figured out mistakes, our answers are the same. Common Core is just showing the kids different ways to get the same answer. You will have to have your child do homework in certain ways that you don't agree about, but it's just really the understanding and exposing them to different ways and then having them pick which one is the best for them. So again, new groups below, we're looking at carrying on top. New groups below is carrying on the bottom. And subtotals is going, adding the ones, adding the tens, adding the hundreds, adding the thousands, having them add them all at the bottom here, and getting their answer. Thanks so much. If you have any questions, please comment below and please subscribe. Thank you.